Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that brings joy to so many of us. The incredible bond we share with our dogs, and what's one of the best ways to build that bond. Through play, of course, it's more than just fun and games. It's a language, a way we communicate and connect on a deeper level. Look at this little guy right here. Every time we grab a toy, his whole world lights up. That tail starts going 100 miles an hour. His eyes get wide, and you can just feel the excitement. It's pure, unfiltered happiness. Whether it's a classic game of fetch in the park, a tug-of-war battle in the living room, or just a silly chase around the yard. These moments are precious. Experts say that play is crucial for a dog's mental and physical health. It provides stimulation, helps burn off excess energy, and prevents boredom, which can sometimes lead to destructive behaviors. Think about it from their perspective. A good play session is like solving a puzzle, getting a great workout. It's about being present. When we play with our dogs, we're giving them our undivided attention in our busy lives. That's a powerful gift. We put down our phones, turn off the TV, and just focus on them. They feel that. They feel seen, loved, and valued. These playful moments build a foundation of trust and affection that lasts a lifetime. It is a reminder to find joy in the little things and to cherish the incredible friends we have in our furry companions. Thanks so much for hanging out with us today. What are your dog's favorite games to play? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to get some new ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.